Hey, this is Andy at BME Bikes. Came to test the C3STROM. All right, man. What do you think about the bike so far?
Looks really beefy. It's like very rigid and well built.
All right, so we're gonna go on a test ride. I'll have you sign the waiver form and everything, and then we'll get you out real quick. Yeah, careful with pedaling and turning. If you're not used to the power. And then when you turn, of course, pedal, keep the pedal flat. All right, Andy just came back from his test ride, man. What do you think?
Very comfortable. The throttle is very torquey.
Yeah, a lot of power, huh?
Yeah, like instantly.
Yeah.
Right there, the second you pedal. Again, it's very beefy, so it was like it could be thrown off a cliff and probably not even get a scratch on it. The brakes were on point. I mean, we were right there. We cut out the motor every single time I pulled on them. The horn was cool.
Yeah, you said you have e-bikes, right? Or are you ridden before?
Yeah, definitely ridden before. The accessories.
Oh, wow.
XC, everything you can throw at me. I've done it. Cruiser, mountain biking, gravel.
So comparing to all the e-bikes out there, I mean, what do you think about this one?
It's definitely got more like that motorcycle, moped feel. The Bevo shifter, everybody's kind of like iffy about that one. I feel like it's not even needed because the power comes on so fast.
Right.
I feel like I'm kind of big for it. I'm like 6 feet, 5'11", so I notice my feet are like going all the way up, but I'm kind of getting it more for my wife or my daughter.
Sure.
Like 5'4", 5'6", and I think this would be perfect for them. Yeah.
So you approve?
Definitely.
All right, man. Thanks for coming.
Of course. Thanks for having me.